Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let me take down my my backpack. It's a little bit too heavy, and also it looks like I am always bended. Okay, so here I am at San Mateo library. The other day last night, I was thinking of visiting some local libraries and things. And the people say this place is beautiful. I see the review. And I remember I have been here one time. And at that time, I made a video of it. So today I came back. Before I came, I hesitated, but going to library is never ever a disappointment. It's always a happy surprise. So here is the library, and on the third floor there is an open terrace. So you can see the local area, and so in the third floor there is an open area, and you can have a cup of coffee. There used to be a coffee shop, and now it is gone, and they just closed the coffee shop. But still, the scene is beautiful. Look at it. It is so very unique, this area. And the whole coffee shop, the whole library is very spacious with very tall ceiling. And I think sometimes, I remember there was one time I went to a museum in a very crowded city, a big metropolitan city, and had a very, very spacious museum. And there was one resident said, what a waste of time to have so much space. And if this converted into housing, it will be so many people having house to live. That's a good point. But coming to see museum or to see public facility, library has such huge open space. It's very eye-opening. It's very comforting. It's very encouraging. I think a lot of us, like myself, we do not live in big, huge housing. And coming to a place that is public, that can be used, that we can share a huge space, almost all to us. It's such a gift. It's such a good thing. I'm sorry for the background noise. This is the terrace, and I just feel very, very fortunate to have it. Don't you think so? And I think public facility or some commercial facility, when you pay a fee, such as a shopping mall, you go to shop something, buy a cup of coffee, and enjoy an area, enjoy something that we usually beyond our capacity. I think it's good. I so very enjoy this place, and I hope we can all come to local libraries, to go outside, to have a change of heart, to have a change of scene and to get some new inspiration, get some new ideas, to get some new fresh air, fresh blood. That is important. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo goo, bye-bye.